Which philosophy supports universal values in education, as these are important in molding young minds towards broad ideals, tingnan natin kung alam niyo to such as democracy, freedom, and human rights. So this be letter A, essentialism, letter B, pragmatism, letter C, existentialism, or letter D, empiricism. Remember, kapag tayo po ay nagtitake ng LET, we have to be very careful. Kasi of course, no, yung goal po ng gumawa ng ating licensure exam ay lituhin tayo. No? So wag po tayong pakakampante kapag nabasa natin yung first part ng ating tanong, no? Wag po natin sasabihin na, okay na to, no? Ito na yung choice. No? Kasi minsan binabali, di ba? Binabali po ng ating question, no? Yung ating pong mga words dyan. Universal values, kung pwede mong isipin, teka, no? Idealism kaya to? Values, no? Broad ideas, kaya lang wala namang idealism sa ating choices. Tapos, no? Yung pinakatulo ng ating pong question, merong democracy, freedom, human rights. Pinaka-importante would be freedom, di ba? And so, we know ng ating pong tumpak na choice dito is letter C. Okay, what about the rest of your choices? Essentialism promotes universal values, pero core po, no? Core virtues ang ating pinag-uusapan. Pragmatism is for practical application, di ba? Application, practicality. Empiricism naman po natin is for sensory experience, di ba? Dapat na po na-experience natin ang isang bagay para tayo matuto, no? Yan po yung sabi ng empiricism.